Before you begin, you'll always want to start off with a clean work area. Start by jacking up the vehicle. Use a jack stand for extra support. It's always a good idea to wear rubber gloves. Remove the front wheel. Turn the steering wheel to the right. This will aid in caliper removal. With a 12mm wrench, remove the upper bolt and the lower bolt. Finish removing both bolts and lay them aside. With both hands, carefully remove the caliper and set it aside. Remove the two spring clips. Then remove the inner brake pad by rocking it out of its caliper bracket. Do the same for the outer brake pad. Clean the brake mounting surface with a suitable brake cleaner. With the lube provided, add a small amount to the back of the brake pad, and then install the shim. Add a small amount of lube on the mounting surface of the brake pad. Be careful not to get any lube on the brake pad itself. Install the outer brake pad by gently sliding it into the caliper bracket. Install the inner brake pad the same way. Install the spring clips and make sure they're seated. With your old brake pads, lay them into the caliper. With your caliper piston depressor tool, slowly push the piston back into the caliper. With both hands, reinstall the caliper. Reinstall both mounting bolts and tighten them finger tight. Tighten both caliper mounting bolts with a 12mm wrench. Turn the steering wheel back to the center position and install the front wheel. Lower the vehicle and with a torque wrench in a star-like pattern, torque the front wheel. From inside the vehicle, pump the brake pedal 10 times. Start the engine, pump the brake pedal 10 more times. Ensure you have a firm brake pedal before taking off. Always take your vehicle for a road test when the job is complete.